Let's look at number patterns. So a number pattern, or a sequence, is a list of numbers that follow a rule. For example, this sequence, 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19, the first term is 7. Each of these are called terms. So the first term is 7. And to find the next term of the sequence, we need to add 3. So what's happening here is we're adding 3 each time. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So that is what the rule is. We're following the rule of this pattern. Now, to continue this sequence, we need to work out the rule to get from one term to the next, and keep applying this rule to find further terms in the sequence. So let's take a look at a few examples. So we want to find the next 3 terms in the following number pattern. So here we have 2, 6, 10, 14, and we want to find the rule. So what are we going up in? Our first term is 2, our second term is 6, our third term is 10. So let's look. We're going up, so we're going to be adding, and we're going to be adding 4 each time. So adding 4. And we would keep going, because 2 plus 4 is 6, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 4 is 26. Example 2, here we're decreasing. As you can see, our sequence is 32, 28, 25, 22. So we are going down in our sequence. We can see that we're going down, so each time we're going to be subtracting a number. So to get from 31 to 28, we are going to subtract 3. 28 to 25, we're going to subtract 3, and it's the same for all of them, 25 to 22. So we're going to go down and subtract 3 to get from term to term. So 22 minus 3 is going to be 19. 19 minus 3 is going to be 16. And then 16 minus 3 is going to be 13. And that is the sequence. Pause the video, give the third one a try, and then press play. This one here, I'm not sure if you spotted it. We are increasing, so we'd be going up, but I don't know if you noticed that we're not actually adding, because here we're adding 3, then we're adding 6, then we're adding 12. So what's happening each time is it's not a consistent rule when we do that, but we are timesing by 2. We're doubling. So you can also double them. You can times by a value, you can divide by a value, you can add by a value, add or subtract. So we're doubling each time. So if we have 24 and we're timesing by 2, we're going to get 48. So we're timesing by 2 each time. Times that by 2. The next one's going to be 96. Times that by 2. And the next one is going to be 192. And those are the next 3 terms of that number pattern. So sometimes you might have questions like this, or other times you might be given the rule and asked to find the terms of the sequence. So it all depends on what the question asks. However, the same thing applies. The rule is going to increase or decrease consistently. Let's look at the next set of examples. We want to write down the first 5 terms of these sequences. So we're going to start at 1 and then add 4 each time. So here, the first term of our sequence is going to be 1, and we are going to add 4 each time. So 1 plus 4 is going to give me 5. And then we're going to add 4, and that's going to give me 9. Add 4, and that's going to give me 13. And add 4 again, and that's going to give me 17. And that is the first 5 terms of the sequence. Now the sequence will go on, but it's only asked us for the first 5 terms. Pause the video, press play when you're ready for the answers. Here are your answers. So the first sequence, it goes 50, 44, 38, 32, 26. and then we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. That's how you find the terms of a sequence.